Hey guys, how's going on? As you're here for learning how can you earn a huge money just from referring. There is no need to do big things, just very simple, and I'm here to help you to earn money as a part-time. It's all depends on you how you take this as full-time or part-time. Let's talk about it. Hello guys, I'm Siddharth and you are watching Secno. So now we are on our mobile screen. Just click on App Store to download 5 app. If you are having Android, then go to Play Store and download from there. As you can see, app has been downloaded. Now open this app and sign up. Just simple sign up form. For this complete sign up process, there you will need your PAN card, Aadhaar card and active account. That is the bank account. I already signed up, so I'm going to log in. This is asking to change my password. Let's change my password first. These are terms of 5 that you have to update your password in every 2 months. And now my password is changed, so now I'm going to log in. Here you can see is right in the bottom there is user option, so simply click on that. And here is an option of refer and earn. Now this is the final page to earn a huge money. Now you can share your promotional link and check the terms of refer and earn by clicking on app option, which is in the right side in the top. You can check your earning per referral when someone click on your link and make an account, so you will get 550 rupees within 5 days, and you can check your earning by going in reports and ledger option. Here you can check your earning. So guys, if you are watching this video and if you like my content, then give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming useful videos. I put the app link in my description, so simply go through the link to download that application. So bye guys, see you in the next video. Take care.